What up, Winbush here, and today I wanted to share this tip with you guys. If you're ever looking for your project file on your hard drive and you can't find it in After Effects, I have a tip for you, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to get started by having my After Effects project open here. I have my QuickTime file in here that I want to find a project that is related to. So if I just make a new composition with it, just to kind of show you what it is, it's just the end tag for a promo that I did for a Nickelodeon spot. And so say that I have my QuickTime, but I need to find the project that's associated with it, and I can't find it anywhere on my hard drive. So if you just go over to the QuickTime right here, hold down Control on your keyboard if you're on PC, or if you're on Mac, hold down the Command key, click E. So it's Control plus E, and you'll get this disclaimer up that says Save Project. Just click Don't Save, and then give it a few moments, and it's actually going to open up the project file that's correlated with that QuickTime. And I come up with this error saying that the render queue item used to render the footage has been deleted. I'll show you exactly what that means now. So if I click on OK, you see it brings up my render queue. And if I move this over to the side, you can see that the project file associated with that QuickTime is now magically open. So if I look down here into my timeline, you can see that I have all the files associated with that, so I can make the appropriate changes if need be. But with that one item came up that said about the render queue was, if I come over here, you can see that I have all the renders from this project file over here. And if for some reason you would, like, let's say delete all of these and click delete, and then you save out your project, it's going to say that it doesn't have the render queue for that associated QuickTime, which is fine because it still finds the project linked anyway. And so I'm going to show you what you need to do to be able to do that whenever you're rendering. So let's say I come over to my composition. If I click composition and click add the render queue, you'll have your render queue settings here, and you want to go to your output module, click lossless. And if you look over here right beside format, this is usually on by default. It says include project link, but you'll want to make sure that this is checkmarked on. If you don't have this checkmarked on, you won't be able to use the Control E function to be able to find your associated project. And so make sure you have that clicked on, and then just click OK. And then whenever you render from there, anytime that you bring your QuickTime into After Effects, hit Control E or Command E, and you'll find the associated project with that file. So hopefully this little tip helped you guys out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like on that video if this really did help you out. And as always, keep creating. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.